Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's just first open once again the application. And now we have selected this tab, so let's use the first one, for example. Just tap here to apply. Here we can change the backgrounds of this tab. Let's use this one, for example. We can see here also the music controls. We can change them, we can hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. We can activate or turn off notifications from incoming notifications from different applications. We can turn on or turn off to show the date and battery status on always on display, just always while device charging or don't show it. And let's go here to the settings section, tap to the always on display, and here we can also change to show always on display on lock screen time just while device charging. When we'll play the music, we can use these two features together or separately. I'll say with the always. Also we can change screen timeout from 1 minute to just to never, to don't hide AUD. We can also decrease and increase the brightness level to 100%, and we can close AUD by double or single tap on the lock screen. And here also have just feature to close AUD by fingerprint. If for example you use fingerprint and lock method, also we can set here the shadow, the start and the end time of the always on display feature. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Sony Xperia device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.